Okay, so we're back. It's been 7 hours that it's been under vacuum, and we're going to take it out now. So I've removed the mylar and the spaces on the peg and also on the horns, and I've removed the tape from the piece of overhead projector film, and it's still stuck, but here we go. Let's take it off. It just pulls off beautifully, and there you go. That's a beautiful repair. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Okay, so I'm going to pull off the bottom one as well. There you go. And that's a perfect repair. Just get more light on here. There you go. Unfortunately, because it's broken on the spar, and we had to reinforce the spar again with tow, you will have a little bit of a bump there, the top and the bottom. Unfortunately, that's unavoidable. But yeah, repair came out very well. It's I tested it just now, and it's very strong. So it's also on the throwing pegs, on the throwing wing side, that was broken. So yeah, it's definitely strong enough. Well, very strong to discus launch this wing.